Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. There are many apps on your iOS device that require background app refresh, like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Background app refresh if it's not working on your iPhone, in that case, apps are not working properly. So let's start to fix this issue, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, enable background app refresh from app setting. For that, first we have to go to settings, scroll and find the affected app like Facebook and enable background app refresh. Now we go for solution number 2. Update apps from App Store. Just we have to tap and hold App Store and a menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Now we have to check the list is there is any update available for affected app. Then we have to tap on update to update that app. The third solution is reset all setting. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. For that, first we have to go to settings, tap on general and tap reset all settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Number 4. Check the latest iOS version. Update your iOS device. Launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi, tap general, tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Finally, we go for solution number 5. Enable background app refresh under settings. To check that, first we have to go to settings, tap on general and tap background app refresh and tap again background app refresh. Under background app refresh we have to make sure that Wi-Fi and mobile data is selected if any other option is selected. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.